Hi there guys, let's prepare this meal together. And I'm preparing my ingredients now. I'm cutting the spring onions, and then I'll be cutting the carrots. Yeah, just as a half piece of the big carrot is enough for rice for 2 glasses. Cut it in cubes. It looks better in rice when it's in cubes, small cubes. As you can see how I'm making it. That's done. That is aside. Put that aside, sorry. And then I'll cut the white onion, also in small cubes. And now I'm making my red pepper, chili pepper. I like the red chili pepper in almost all my meals. Yeah, as you can see, all that is ready. I'll prepare the fish now, the fish fillet. I'll pat it dry with a kitchen towel because it's wet from the fridge, and then I will season it. I'll add salt, pepper, black pepper, curry powder, and then squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. I'll then use a kitchen brush to blend them in together and flip over and do the same on the other side too. Yeah, and the fish is ready. I'll cover it up and put it aside, and then start with the rice and make the vegetables first. Yeah, that's ready. So, hi guys, welcome again to my channel, and today I'm going to be making vegetable rice and fish fillet. So, let's get started. I have my ingredients here ready: onions, carrots, spring onions, and green peas frozen. Not forgetting red pepper and salt to taste, of course. I also have my fish already prepared. I just seasoned it with salt, pepper, lemon, and curry powder. Let's do this. You're welcome. For the rice. Onions are in there. This is for the rice. Add in the pepper. And then a little salt. Put the salt in the rice. And add in the carrots. Let's cook for a few minutes, like 2 minutes. The onions are browning a little bit, so I'm adding the green peas. And let it cook a little bit. Yeah. So this cooks a little bit. And then I add in the spring onions. I'll put this aside as we wait for the rice to be ready. Just make the butter and the olive oil together. I'll slowly put them one by one into the pan. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. Yeah, basically around 8 minutes on both sides, or 4 minutes on each side, then make it 8. Mix the other one too. So good. So good. The rice is ready. I'll mix it to the vegetables. The best way to make vegetable rice is to put them apart and then mix them together. Always turns out to be so nice. Ready? The rice is also ready. All the fruits are ready, as you can see. Yeah, that's simple and of course, as usual, delicious. I'm going to have dinner now, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment and like, and see you again in the next video guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.